Go. Ready? Begin.
Okay. So it's BB-8 dodgeball.
Go ahead and turn the music down a little bit.
Okay.
I gotta be able to hear you on the video.
It's BB-8 dodgeball, but the troopers have like algorithm. They have like random choice and they shoot randomly, so they can dodge your dodgeballs. And that's basically it. They dodge your dodgeballs. You just have to get them out.
BB-8 dodgeball. Okay, let's see this.
Put a little bit back. They like dodge your dodgeballs. Like right here.
This is some very explosive dodgeball.
And you can, oh wow, yeah. I was gonna say a non-violent game, but I guess you're just exploding them with those aren't dodgeballs; those are grenades.
Dodgeball.
So can they not come across? They can't come across the line, and
No, you can't either.
and you can't go across the line.
That's cool.
That's pretty cool. They're going pretty fast too.
I know it was way hard, but if anyone wants to try it.
All right, who wants to play dodgeball? BB-8 dodgeball. Oh.
This is cool. I had a bit late to the dodgeballs too, so you can't really like spam it.
You did what?
Like a 0.5 second delay with the dodgeballs.
So the troopers kind of have just a random kind of emotion thing.
It moves. If it's like to the right, it goes -1 for X, and then if it's like to the left, they go left for 1. See, like right here. Yeah, that's it.
Cool. All right. Nice job.